And pack Erin's order. Now, Erin's ordered our can leopard wraparound skirt, which is on sale at the moment, which is super duper cute, as well as our ivory coral buttoned bow dress. This dress is so cute. She also got our Annie yellow maxi stretch dress, which is super cute, as well as our Magica white rose crop top and our Parker brown leopard maxi apron dress. That is so cute, that dress. Our Steffi black crop top, your free gift, of course, and your feather design wallet. I'm sorry, you can hear my cat in the back. Say hello to Nala. And also your mystery bag, which has $150 value in it. And I'm so excited for you to receive this order, babe. Now, all packaged up with so much love and, yes, in our environmentally friendly bags. Now, these, you can wash all your things. Like if you have a fluffy jumper, like a knit jumper, you don't want to get caught on anything. Like these are perfect. And store your goodies. Now, I'm just putting everything in, as well as your free gift for spending over $200. And I'm just packaging it all up for you, Erin. And thank you so much for your huge order. I'm so appreciative of your support, and I hope you love everything. I love everything you ordered. So sad to see them go, but so happy they're going to a new home. Bye, babe.